What's up, what's up? I'm Rebuilder Guy, and it's a beautiful day to be alive.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you, come along and see it's true.
Cars are in the shop. The flooded one is on jack stands. The damaged one here, the wrecked one, we got a battery for it. It should run. Tim, you want to go ahead and give it a little start? Oh yeah, it sounds pretty good. Look at all these deployed airbags. That's funny. Does that And let's see if we have any lights on the dashboard. 3, 2, 1. None. Look at that. That's beautiful. That's how you know a car's been done right, when it's all nice and clean. Hood is still open. That's why we got that little blinking light. Now we're gonna drop the front bumper on, and then we're off to alignment, AC, and we should wrap this thing up right now. My uploads have been a little bit crazy because I've been doing that. So, thank you for being patient with me. So the reason why I didn't record the seats is because this is what I've been doing and building out this office for this shop, because it is now rented. And I got people moving in. So yeah, this is what I've been up to. It's been a lot of fun. Sarcasm, can you hear it in my voice? This is how we ended up finishing out the office here. We got some can lights, walls, window, all the goodness. What I ended up doing here on the floor is just using water-based stain, and it looks really good. The guy that rented from me, he actually has a YouTube channel. It's called Twisted Visions. Also works on cars, on a whole bunch of different things, usually classics. I also put in a mini split, and it feels awesome in here. Today it's 107, and in here it's 72. Feels awesome. I also have a bathroom. Finished it up. Looks really good. I think it came out wonderful. All right, let's get back to the Veloster. Let's see what's going on there.